Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the last video where we talked about the 4th of July. Now let's test what you've learned. Here we go. Did the 13 American colonies declare independence from France on July 4th? 1776? No, they declared independence from Great Britain. Was the Declaration of Independence written by Thomas Jefferson? Yes, he was the main author. Is the 4th of July only about fireworks and food? No, it's also about freedom, democracy, and reflection. Do Americans usually wear green and yellow on Independence Day? No, they wear red, white, and blue. Are fireworks a modern addition to the holiday? No, they've been part of the celebration since the very beginning. Does the Declaration of Independence say all people are created equal? Yes, that is one of its most important ideas. Do Americans celebrate the 4th of July in the winter? No. It's a summer holiday, celebrated on July 4th. Is the Declaration of Independence just a list of names? No, it's a powerful statement of freedom and human rights. Are parades and concerts common on the 4th of July? Yes, they are part of the tradition. Is the 4th of July a day of national unity in the U.S.? Yes. It brings people together to celebrate the country's history and values. Watch this video again to review everything you've learned, and don't forget to subscribe so you're always ready for the next exciting episode in this amazing series on English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.